Car brake lockups are a serious problem that have a big impact on driver safety. It happens when the car is moving but the wheels stop turning. It occurs as a result of hard, abrupt braking or losing traction on slick roads. This results in the car skidding, which compromises safety by causing a loss of control. These are the typical causes of vehicle brake lockups and solutions for them. Incorrect brake fluid. Car brake fluid contamination or low levels have a detrimental effect on how well a vehicle's braking system works. Moreover, to guarantee adequate hydraulic pressure, brake fluid needs to have a constant boiling point and viscosity. Braking efficiency is compromised if the incorrect type is used or if the fluid gets contaminated with water, air, or debris. When braking, this incorrect pressure causes the wheels to lock up. Make sure the brake fluid is clean and of the proper type. For the purpose of maintaining adequate hydraulic pressure and avoiding lockup, perform routine brake fluid flushes and replacements. Malfunctioning ABS system. By adjusting brake pressure, the anti-lock braking system keeps wheels from locking up when applying strong brakes. On the other hand, if it malfunctions, the wheels may unexpectedly lock up due to an inability to regulate the braking force. This can happen as a result of broken wiring, malfunctioning ABS sensors, or problems with the ABS control module. Make sure the ABS is operating properly. Any defective ABS sensors, wiring, or control modules should be fixed or replaced. During emergency braking, wheel lockup is avoided with an operational ABS. Defected brake calipers, rotors, or pads. Brake calipers, rotors, and pads that are defective can result in uneven or excessive braking force. When this kind of wear and tear occurs, one or more wheels lock up. Additionally, brake pads are continuously compressed by brake calipers that seize or fail to release properly. After that, the car overheats and the brakes lock up. To prevent overheating, avoid abrupt or prolonged braking by using the correct braking techniques. To avoid brake fade and guarantee efficient braking, the braking system should also receive routine maintenance. Broken parking brake. Brake lockup can occur when the parking brake engages while driving due to a malfunctioning or misaligned parking brake. If the parking brake cable is broken or not completely released, this occurs. The brake rotors or drums may be dragged by the brake shoes or pads when they are partially engaged. It locks the car wheels by producing too much heat. When driving, make sure the parking brake is fully disengaged and adjusted correctly. Any damaged parking brake cables or parts should be repaired or replaced. Faulty brake master cylinder. Part of the braking system that is vital is the brake master cylinder. It produces the hydraulic pressure required for the operation of the system. On the other hand, an inefficient master cylinder causes an uneven pressure distribution. It results in erratic brake performance and a car brake lockup. Check the brake master cylinder for damage or leaks on a regular basis. If any parts need to be replaced, the hydraulic pressure will remain constant. Overheated brakes. Prolonged or forceful braking can lead to overheated car brakes, which can result in overheated brake rotors and pads. Brake fade, or the loss of brake effectiveness, results from this. Furthermore, boiling brake fluid from overheating results in bubbles and a decrease in braking force. When driving, this results in the brakes locking up. Check the calipers, rotors, and brake pads for wear and damage on a regular basis. To guarantee uniform stopping power, replace any broken parts. These were a few reasons and solutions for vehicle brake lockups. They represent a significant risk to other drivers as well as the drivers themselves. When dealing with such car brake problems, get expert advice right away from a mechanic.